The journey of $1 million diamond ring starts in the rawest place imaginable. These first loads of earth removed from the pit clear the path for uncovering the diamonds still hidden deep within. Every layer of earth is screened instantly, removing impurities and retaining only the fragments with the potential to hold diamonds. High-pressure water strips away every layer of mud, preparing the ore for gravity-based separation.
Only the heaviest fragments sink because diamond density surpasses most surrounding minerals.
The X-ray system identifies pure carbon structures and isolates diamonds with millimeter precision. Amid tons of anonymous rock, this is the first rough diamond to reveal itself. Skilled hands sort each piece by size, shape, and cutting potential.
UV fluorescence reveals the hidden traits locked within each diamond's crystal lattice.
Before leaving the mine, the diamonds are sealed securely, ready for their refining journey at the cutting facilities. Rough diamonds travel under high security protocols, ensuring absolute integrity during transit. Inside the facility, every process begins with meticulous security verification. Every diamond receives a unique tracking code, ensuring perfect traceability. Once unsealed, each piece is rechecked to conform its untouched original state. The shaping process begins by generating a full 3D model of the crystal structure. Laser mapping reveals every microscopic fracture, guiding the most valuable cutting plan.
Engineers design each cut to maximize both carat weight and clarity.
Marking the cleavage line is critical. A single, precise trace preserves the stone's value.
Next comes the sawing stage, dividing the rough stone into pieces suitable for precision polishing.
The moment the blade touches the diamond, the refining journey truly begins. A flawless split creates the foundation for every polishing step that follows. The shaping stage begins by using diamond against diamond.
With each rotation, the circular form begins to emerge.
Micrometer precision determines the final perfection of the diamond's shape.
Facet placement determines brilliance and dispersion. Diamond powder creates the sharpest polishing surface possible.
The first contact begins the stone's visual transformation.
Absolute focus is essential to crafting every flawless facet.
The diamond's upper layer begins to form its first reflective planes.
The pavilion facets define the diamond's iconic sparkle.
Perfect symmetry produces maximum light performance. Fine polishing achieves absolute surface perfection.
Even the slightest misalignment reduces the stone's brilliance. Temperature control is crucial to protect the crystal lattice.
Even diamond dust must be cleared to inspect surface perfection.
This moment assesses the overall shape after coarse polishing.
After countless hours of craftsmanship, the diamond reaches its mirror-perfect brilliance.
The stone is now ready for its professional certification phase.
Every handcrafted process begins by appreciating the diamond's untouched beauty. A trained eye detects even the slightest nuance in color and clarity.
Only human mastery can judge the perfect rhythm of symmetry.
Design begins with the most honest pencil strokes.
Perfect proportions arise from perfect curves.
The technical profile anchors the diamond's ideal placement. Every line serves balance and elegance.
Precious metal is chosen through experienced touch.
Every design carries a unique, handcrafted signature. Every detail of the wax model is refined specifically for a diamond setting, securing maximum stability and brilliance for the stone.
Every dimension of the wax model is calculated from the diamond's real diameter, with no spare fraction of a millimeter.
The ring's head is reinforced to carry a high-carat center diamond in perfect balance.
Every stroke follows brilliant cut diamond standards, not suitable for any other type of stone.
Only when the wax grips the diamond flawlessly is the design allowed to move into precious metal casting.
The alloy for a diamond ring must reach a high hardness to protect the stone throughout its lifetime.
Each melt is standardized to maintain color and quality across high-end diamond ring collections.
Temperature must be controlled precisely so the metal can reach every smallest corner of the diamond ring frame.
Metal uniformity and purity are the foundation for the diamond to shine at its true value. Molten metal fills the void left by the diamond ring wax, bringing the design into reality. Cooling speed directly affects the strength and resilience of the diamond-holding prongs. Inside the broken mold lies the newborn diamond ring frame, awaiting the jeweler's finishing touch.
The ring frame for the diamond now exists, but every edge and every prong still needs human refinement.
Excess metal from casting is removed, so the ring frame becomes clean and ready for high-level finishing.
After acid cleaning, the metal reaches the surface purity required for a high-end diamond ring. These first filing strokes define how the diamond ring will feel on the wearer's hand. Rounded edges provide comfort while visually supporting the diamond's prominence.
The diamond seat must be perfectly level so the stone never tilts, even slightly.
Each prong is shaped to embrace the diamond, combining strength and elegance.
This first polish erases the rough traces of crafting, preparing for the final mirror finish.
Rouge creates a mirror finish, allowing the metal to reflect and amplify the diamond's light. Any remaining dust or oil could affect the diamond's grip and sparkle. This is the moment the diamond and its ring finally belong together.
A single wrong force could damage a facet, so every prong tightening motion must be perfectly controlled.
After hundreds of handcrafted steps, the diamond now shines on a ring made exclusively for it, worthy of its million-dollar value.
Before receiving an international certificate, every diamond ring must undergo a strict grading process designed specifically for natural diamonds.
The alignment and centering of the diamond determine its overall light performance.
The prongs must firmly embrace the diamond's girdle, ensuring the stone remains secure for decades.
A perfectly executed 58-facet brilliant cut maximizes dispersion and brilliance. The diamond's surface must be immaculate to meet high-end diamond ring standards. Brilliance and fire reveal the diamond's ultimate beauty.
Fluorescence is a required parameter in international diamond certification. Carat weight is measured with ultra-precision instruments to ensure complete transparency of the diamond specifications.
3D scanning records the ring's full structure for international documentation and verification. The Laser ID turns the diamond into a truly unique entity.
Every high-end diamond ring must be accompanied by complete and accurate international certification.
The diamond ring officially meets all international grading standards.
The final polish brings the ring to absolute visual purity. A premium diamond ring must shine flawlessly under every lighting environment.
A $1 million diamond ring requires packaging that reflects its prestige. This special cushioning protects the ring during luxury transport. The diamond ring enters a presentation space crafted exclusively for it. The diamond ring is secured within a space crafted exclusively for luxury.
Packaging for a diamond ring must meet the highest standards of aesthetics and protection.
The seal confirms this high-end diamond product has never been opened.
Every detail must match perfectly before release. A $1 million diamond ring is transported with the highest level of protection.
The handover process is monitored at every step. The diamond customer experience must always meet the highest luxury standards.
Luxury is communicated through every subtle gesture. Every motion in the unboxing process must convey absolute reverence.
The reveal of the diamond ring is the pinnacle of the entire crafting journey.
From a rough stone buried deep underground to a masterpiece shining on its owner's hand.